Before I was born, there was a project, Manasikal Watimo. And I believe in ignorance, poverty, disease. Yeah.
Yes.
And those things are still there. But when I was growing up, Kathi, abedo sirikal, adigeru nundara, adikelu nusiptal, adigeru nusikunde, and right from the time I grew up in Nakasani, the agenda has remained the same. The same thing in Magewacho. What I'm saying is this: it's time to move on. Ndara kane pokigero koro kikilandro nea wagero ndara. Koro kel ndara mido landosani. Sirikal mabi ubo landango ndara. Tenani will keep on repeating the same thing over and over. I want to say for the record, yes, on national television, I support President Ruto, but I also want to see that he's, encouraged to move on. And we must encourage him to move on by saying things that have not been done, rather than saying, oh, he has done this, therefore, hallelujah. Listen, we must say roads should have been done 20 years ago.
But no, he
has taken over.
Yes.
What new idea is bringing apart from what those guys told us?
Okay.
Those guys told us roads, stores.
Your story. Even your but your story. Can you know Paya Daluru, Mama Becha? Okay, the Paya Maruto, watching Ruto Ogolo story, Tio. Even you believe, it's a city.
Correct.
For the last 2 years, because they were Binyala. Moko kona yudo state house, kitaki buko kone, yudo kenango, gikmoko pogore o mabikacha. Miso dia lise de kanu William Ruto ni.